Good morning to all of you. Welcome to my YouTube channel Online GKGS Knowledge. This is the episode number 7 of Daily Current Affairs show. Please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon button to get the notification of next videos. Now today we will discuss top 10 important current affairs of 21st July. Let us start. First question, who has been appointed as the new personal secretary to the President of India, Ramnath Kovind? Right answer is option number B. P. Praveen Siddharth. Indian Revenue Service Officer P. Praveen Siddharth has been appointed as the new personal secretary to the President of India, Ramnath Kovind. Siddharth is already serving as officer and special duty. He will replace Bikram Singh, who has now been appointed jointly secretary in Ministry of Shipping. Next question, who has penned a novel, The End Game, which talks of politics, betrayal, and unimaginable terror? Right answer is option number C. S. Hussain Zaid. S. Hussain Zaid has penned a new novel, The End Game, which talks of politics, betrayal, and unimaginable terror. The book has been published by HarperCollins India. The End Game gives the readers a close-up of complex political machinery at work, including state security, defense services, and intelligence agencies, like all building up to an explosive climax. Jayed has also authored Black Friday, Mafia Queens of Mumbai, Dongri to Dubai, and Baikula to Bangkok. Some important books which have been recently launched, like book title The Tangams and Ethno-Linguistic Study of Critically Endangered Group of Arunachal Pradesh, was released by Arunachal Pradesh CM Pema Khandu. And the book titled If It Bleeds, authored by Stephen King, and book titled A Song of India, authored by Raksin Band. Next question, which state CM has launched Naveen Rozgar Chhatri Yojana for all around development of scheduled caste? Right answer is option number A, Uttar Pradesh. Uttar Pradesh CM Yogi Adityanath has launched Naveen Rozgar Chhatri Yojana for all around development of scheduled castes. He also transferred financial assistance of 17.42 crore online to 3,484 people under the Pandit Deen Dayal Upadhyay Swarojgar Yojana, and interacted with some beneficiaries from Raebareli, Gorakhpur, Basti, Meerut, Azamgarh, and Muradabad districts through video conferencing. This is the location of UP in Indian map, and the CM of UP is Yogi Adityanath, Governor is Anandiben Patel, and capital is Lucknow. There is some important current affairs related to UP. UP has launched Bal Shramik Vidya Yojana, and first state to solve the case through virtual court. And UP has also launched Pravasi Rahat Mitra app and Ayush Kavach app, and UP made mandatory to install Arogya app in mobile. Next question, who is or are winner of 2020 Nelson Mandela Prize? Right answer is option number C. Morisana Coet and Mariana Wardino Yanis are the winner of 2020 Nelson Mandela Prize. The President of United Nations General Assembly has made the announcement of the winner of the award, which recognizes persons who dedicated their lives to service of humanity. Kouyaté is a leading figure in effort to end violence against women in the Africa, including female genital mutilation. He has received several international humanitarian awards for his work. And Mariana Wadianis has been involved in the fight against childhood cancer for some 30 years, and thousands of children have been cured. About Nelson Mandela Prize, the Nelson Mandela Prize, which is awarded every 5 years and recognizes those who dedicated real life to service of humanity. And also 18th July, on 18th July, Nelson Mandela Day is observed. Next question, who has been appointed as new Managing Director and Chief Executive Officer of SBI Card and Payment Services? Right answer is option number A. Ashwin Kumar Tiwari. SBI Card and Payment Services has appointed Ashwini Kumar Tiwari as its new Managing Director and Chief Executive Officer. The new appointment will be valid for 2 years and his appointment will come into effect from August 1st, 2020. Tiwari's appointment of Tiwari is followed by resignation of present MD and CEO Hardayal Prasad, and the chairman of SBI is Rajneesh Kumar, headquartered in Mumbai and founded on 1st July 1955. Next question, who won the Formula One Hungarian Grand Prix 2020? Right answer is option number A. Lewis Hamilton. Lewis Hamilton won the Formula One Hungarian Grand Prix 2020 at Hungary, and Max Verstappen spotted at second and Valtteri Bottas spotted at third. Next question, India was represented by whom in third G20 Finance Minister and Central Bank Governor, that is FMCB G. The meeting was held under the Saudi Arabian presidency through video conferencing. Right answer is option number A. Nirmala Sitharaman. India was represented by Nirmala Sitharaman in the third G20 Finance Minister and Central Bank Governor. The meeting was held under the Saudi Arabian presidency through video conferencing. The objective of the meet was to discuss the global economic outlook amid evolving COVID-19 pandemic crisis, along with other G20 finance track priorities for the year 2020. About G20, the group of 20 is the 19 countries and European Union. The 19 countries are Argentina, Australia, Brazil, Canada, China, Germany, France, India, Indonesia, Italy, Japan, Mexico, Russia, Saudi Arabia, South Africa, South Korea, Turkey, UK and US. Next question, which nations or country has established individual bilateral air bubble with France and United States? Right answer is option number C. India. Union Civil Aviation Minister Hardeep Singh Puri informed that India has established individual bilateral air bubble with France and United States. India is planning to establish such agreement with the UK, under which 2 flights a day will be operated between Delhi and London. A similar arrangement will be with UAE till 26 July 2020. Air India will operate flight to France, Germany and US under bilateral air bubble. Now we know about air bubble. Air bubble is a bilateral arrangement with a set of regulations and restrictions that allows carriers of both countries to operate international flights. the headquarters of Air India in New Delhi, and chairman and managing director is Raju Bansal. Next question, a mission titled as Hope has been launched to Mars by which country? Right answer is option number A, United Arab Emirates. A mission titled as Hope has been launched to Mars by the United Arab Emirates. With the help of mission, UAE aims to provide a complete picture of Martian atmosphere for the first time. Studying daily and seasonal changes, and this Hope mission blasted for a 7-month journey to the red planet and is expected to enter a Mars orbit by February 2021. The Hope probe constitutes three different instruments, namely an imager and two spectrometers. The imager will facilitate detailed image of planet surface, while all three will provide data to scientists in order to track what ingredients are located where in atmosphere of Mars. The Hope mission to Mars, also called Emirates Mars mission, costed $200 million, and the president of UAE, Sheikh Khalifa bin Zayed Al Nahyan, capital of UAE is Abu Dhabi, and currency United Arab Emirates dirham. This is the last question of this video. United Nations celebrated World Chess Day globally on which day of July month every year? Right answer is option number C, 20th July. United Nations celebrate World Chess Day globally on 20 July every year. The day marks the date of establishment of the International Chess Federation, that is FIDE, in Paris in 1924. The President of Secretary General of United Nations is Antonio Guterres. Some other important days are celebrated recently. 18 July, like Nelson Mandela International Day, and 17 July observed as World Day of International Justice, and 15 July observed as World Youth Skill Day, and theme of the World Skill Day is 2020 is skills for a resilient youth. If you liked this video, then please like and share this video at least in one study group. This is the end of the video. See you in the next video. Thank you.